another set of foundation ratio questions which you can download in the description down below. Let's do this. Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're trying to get the best grade in maths you possibly can, let me help. Start now by subscribing. Okay then, first up, Kevin, Harry and Isabel each earn the same monthly salary. In each month, Kevin saves 28% and spends the rest. Harry spends 3/4 and saves the rest. The amount of salary Isabel saves to the amount she spends is 3 to 7. We want to work out who saves the most of their salary. Okay, so the information is given to us in 3 different forms: percentage, ratio and fraction. So ideally we need to turn each one into the same form. Now probably the easiest is to go percentage. So we know Kevin saves 28%. Now given that we're asked who saves the most, we don't care about how much he spends. Now Harry spends 3/4. So that means Harry saves 1/4. Now 1/4 as a percentage is 25%. So at the moment, Gavin is winning. Okay, then for Isabel, the amount of salary she saves to the amount she spends is 3 to 7. So, Isabel okay, so altogether this ratio has 10 parts. She saves 3 of them, so she saves 3/10. Now 3/10 as a percentage is 30. So Isabel saves the most. Number 2, there are some chocolates in a box. Good times, 1/4 of the chocolates contain nuts. The rest of the chocolates do not contain nuts. Write down the ratio of the number of chocolates that contain nuts to the number of chocolates that do not contain nuts. Give your answer in the form 1 to n. Okay, so 1/4 of the sweets chocolates contain nuts, so that means 1 in every 4 contains nuts, which means 3 in every 4 do not. So if we call this nuts to no nuts, it's just 1 to 3. Okay, next up, a bit trickier. So, in a village, the number of houses and the number of flats are in the ratio 7 to 4. Straight away, get that written down. So, H to F is 7 to 4. And the number of flats and the number of bungalows are in the ratio 8 to 5. So F to B is 8 to 5. Now we're told there are 50 bungalows in the village. We want to work out how many houses there are. Okay, so there are a few ways we could do this. The way that I'm going to do it, because it's good practice, is to combine the ratios. So the trick to doing this is whatever turns up in both ratios. So here, that's flats. Now we need to turn the flat part into the same number in each ratio. So 4 goes nicely into 8. So we need to multiply the left-hand ratio by 2. So we get 14 to 8. So we now know for every 8 flats there are 14 houses and 5 bungalows. So as a single ratio, houses to flats to bungalows, our ratio is 14 to 8 to 5. Okay, so we now know there are 50 bungalows. How do we get from 5 to 50? We multiply by 10. So that means there are 10 lots of the ratio in the village. So there are 80 flats. More importantly, there are 140 houses. So that is our answer. Okay, next up, Alan, Bispar and Chan share a sum of money. Alan gets 1/8, Bispar gets 1/2, Chan gets the rest. Part A. Alan gets £2.50. Work out how much money Bispar gets. Okay, so we know two things about Alan. He gets 1/8 of the money, which is £2.50. So 1/8 of the total is £2.50. So to get the total, multiply it by 8. So 8 times 2.5 is £20. Okay, so we know Alan gets £2.50. We know that we're trying to work out how much money Bispar gets. Bispar gets 1/2, so Bispar gets £10. Okay, and then for part B, we want to find the ratio, the amount of money Alan gets to the amount of money Chan gets. Give your answer in the form A to B, where A and B are whole numbers. Okay, so because we know Alan gets £2.50 and Bispar gets £10, Chan must get £7.50. So Alan to Chan is £2.50 to £7.50. Now, that is the ratio, but it's not in the form where we have whole numbers. So if we multiply both sides by 2, we get £5 to £15, which then has a common factor of 5, which we can divide out. So we get £1 to £3. Okay, next up, Asmal, Ryan and Kim each played a game. Asmal's score was 4 times Ryan's score. Kim's score was half of Asmal's score. We want to write down the ratio of Asmal to Ryan's to Kim's score. Okay. So, let's say Ryan scored 1. Asmal scored 4 times that, so Asmal scored 4. Kim scored half of Asmal, so half of 4 is 2. And that's it. Okay, next up, we have a classic recipe question. So Shahid is going to use these instructions to make fizzy drink. So mix 5 parts of orange juice to 2 parts of lemonade. Okay, so let's have J2L. So the ratio is 5 to 2. Okay. Shahid thinks that he has 300 ml of orange juice and 200 ml of lemonade. Part A. If Shahid is correct, what is the greatest amount of fizzy drink he can make? Okay, so what the ratio is saying is for every 5 millilitres of juice, we need 2 millilitres of lemonade. So, what's going to happen here, we're going to run out of one ingredient before the other. So, let's try using all of the juice. So, he has 300 ml of orange juice. Okay, so to turn 5 into 300, we multiply it by 60. So the lemonade we're going to need is 2 times 60, which is 120 ml. So, like that, we're going to make 420 millilitres. Now, what we have to check is, can we make more by using all of the lemonade? So, let's try again. Okay, so, if we're going for the lemonade, he has 200 ml of lemonade. So here we're multiplying by 100. So 5 times 100 is 500. So if we used all of the lemonade, then we would need to use 500 ml of orange juice, which we can't do because we only have 300. So 420 is our answer. Okay, then for part B, Shahid does have 300 ml of orange juice, but he only has 160 ml of lemonade. Does this affect the greatest amount of fizzy drink he can make? Give a reason for your answer. So, no, it doesn't. We know when he used all of the orange juice, he only needed 120ml of lemonade. So, given that he has 160ml of lemonade, he can still make 420ml of drink because he only needs 120ml of lemonade. Okay, the final question now involves tutor trigonometry, which you may not have learned yet, so I'll put my playlist on it down below in the description. So, ABC is a right angled triangle. AC is 14 centimeters and angle C is 90 degrees. We are told angle B to angle A are in the ratio 3:2, and our job is to find the length of AB, giving our answer to 3 sig figs. So, first up, the size we want is this chap. Okay, so what we need to do is find the size of either angle A or angle B. Now, because angles in a triangle add up to 180, we already have a 90 degree angle. We know A and B is 90 degrees. So, B to A is in the ratio 3:2. So we need to split 90 in this ratio. So first of all, add the parts of the ratio. 3 add 2 is 5. We then need to know how many lots of that are in 90. So 90 divided by 5 is 18. We then multiply each side of the ratio by 18. So B is 3 times 18. A is 2 times 18. So we get 54 and 36. Okay, now we can use either angle. I'm going to use angle A. So this angle is 36 degrees. Okay, so this is now where we start playing tutor. So we need to label the sides. So we have the adjacent and the hypotenuse. So that means it's cos. So we get cos 36 is equal to the adjacent, so 14 over the hypotenuse. Now we need to get h on its own, so multiply through by h, we get h cos 36 is equal to 14, and then divide through by cos 36, we get h is 14 over cos 36. At this point, we need our calculators. So, to 3 sig figs, we are going to get 17.3. centimeters. Okay then guys, that's all the fun for this video. If you found it useful, please do give us a thumbs up and get subscribed. I have videos like this on all sorts of topics with downloadable questions in my Foundation Past Paper Exam Question playlist, which is linked down below. If you have any requests for topics you want done like this, let me know in a comment. For now, take it easy, take care.